Hello everyone, myself Madhuri Paradesi, Associate Professor, Department of Law, Sri Padmavati Mahila Vidyalayam. Today we are going to talk about another IP right, that is geographical indications. So what is GI? GI is nothing but a kind which has been used for goods that have a specific geographical origin, particular place of an origin. For example, as we see in a daily life, basmati rice, Darjeeling tea can be taken as an examples from India. So Article 22 of the TRIPS agreements defines a geographical indication as a sign that originates in a member of identity or identify a goods located in that particular area where a given quality, reputation, speciality and is assigned as a geographical location is given is essentially acceptable. This particular GI is a sign which identify a particular product originating particular place which has been given as a birthplace, a person, geographical indication which also identifies the origin of a particular product which is very important for this particular area. It also states a particular product which has been given under the particular area of qualities depends upon the particular place of production. There is a clear link has to be given to the particular GI production. So this GI is primarily granted to agricultural, natural, manufactural, handicraft originated from different kind of territory of geographical. For example, Darjeeling tea, Kanchipuram silk sarees, Tirupati laddu and so on. And here we can talk about IP rights providing protection for the particular copyrights, patents and the trademarks. GI tags similarly rights and protection to holders, Article 1, 2 and Class 10 of a Paris Convention for the protection of this particular industrial properties. Geographical indications can be covered under the element of IPR. So another example we can say recently which is added as Pootarekulu from Kakinada. And examples we can see in a daily life is basmati rice, Mysore silk, Mysore sandalwood and Mysore jasmine and oranges and Madhubani paintings and so on. We can see all these examples. Athraipuram Pootarekulu also added recently for this. So statutory provisions, if you want to see, it started on Article 22 till 24 of this particular act. All these articles speaks about a trade related aspects of IP, that is on TRIPS agreement and geographical indications only. So Article 22 class 1 of a TRIPS agreement stands on an identity of a particular goods on originating the territory of a membership which has been given under region or a locality in that particular territory. So India is a member of WTO, World Trade Organization and the TRIPS agreement. In India, GI are governed and protected by the GI Goods Act, Registration and Protection Act 1999. It also came into force on 15 September 2003 and GI office is at Chennai. The benefits of this particular registration of GI is nothing but their name and have a link with their place of an origin no matter where they are been sold, as they become a registered indication protected according to the originality in India. It also prevents unauthorized use and register of a registered geographical indication by others. Products are a particular goods which are imported from country to country which can be easily transferable. And the producers of the particular product with the help of GI tag are able to sell more quantity of products, enable them to earn more profits. And rights covered on this particular act comes under Article 21 of this GI Act, the 1999. And provisions, if you want to speak, it also comes under Section 2(1) of this particular act and agriculture, basmati rice, natural, handicraft, foodstuff and so on. So Agra Pata is also comes under foodstuff. So any kind of a particular action which can be taken according to GI can be protected. Any other type of particular goods will not be protected under GI Act 1999. An application on this Section 11 should be made to the registration of the goods and a registration is granted under Section 16 of this particular act. So who can apply? Any kind of a particular producers, organization, any authority of a particular establishment under law, time being in the force, any association of the persons or Section 9, the following also can be taken, which are likely to deceive or cause confusion, which would be contrary to any law of a particular being. So comprises and contains scandalous or any kind of obscene matters and objects of the goods which would not be granted protection in the court. Generic names also can be taken. territory, region, locality also can be taken according to that. It cannot be given false representations. Duration part, if you want to see, section 18 speaks about this particular act 1999 for the year of period of 10 years. So suits against imprisonment can be filed in the district courts under section 66 of this particular act. The registration process and at the same time authority of registration of this particular act also can be taken. So under section 67 of this act is a relief which has been granted. So there are a lot of controversies which has been taken place in the geographical indications, that is a Darjeeling tea GI disputes is also there, that is a 1953, because it is a well-known quality. Mind-boggling aroma is also there, and at the same time defendant of the particular Darjeeling tea has been taken according to that oversee how it was been taken. So this is another case, that is the Rasgulla, Bengal Rasgulla and Odisha Rasgulla case. And when we want to talk about this particular GI, we can say that GI tag prohibits the holder from using a registered mark of a particular GI and its name of any product which is similar or misleading or the registered product. It is possible, it may not be giving any kind of the registered product, it may not be registered. If it is not registered, it is not possible. Since the adoption of this particular TRIPS agreement, there has been increased awareness needs and adequate protections, geographical signals for all kind of particular products. So the GI tag is an essential component for creating and maintaining abstracts and originality of the particular products which have been essential and characteristics. India is not far being legally pursued their prospects and aspects of an intellectual property rights, and nations have to understand in fact GI protection is must best provided under national laws, being it has not been provisions of the treaties but the actual national laws that provide protection in relation to the GIs. Thank you.